Pre-pouring slab concrete is already passed now, so on Monday you will see concrete slab on this foundation and stem wall. So our engineer owner is here to inspect everything and see everything on his research satisfaction level. It looks very gorgeous. So many people already have come and seen this place now, and they love the environment and location and type of construction and the way we are doing really well. All the neighbors are surprised too. It's going really fast and very nice. So if you have any questions, if you like, this property will be available by next month. Let us know.